If you're trying to remove watch links and nothing that you're watching on YouTube is really making sense, it's probably because this isn't a screw. And no one actually tells you that. This is a watch that my niece bought on TikTok shop for about £3 and she asked me to resize it. Now I did say take it to a jeweler, but they'd probably charge a lot more than what this is worth in the first place. And whilst I already own a link removal tool, there's no actual markings on this at all. Or no arrows or anything like that like you normally see in other videos. And because this is a small ladies watch, it looks like the pins at the ends are small flat screw heads. So it's very easy to assume that it's a screw link and reach for the smallest bit in your screwdriver set. And that's what I assumed, but it wouldn't turn, and forcing it clearly wasn't the answer. And this is where most videos say push it this way without really explaining what you're looking at. And once I stopped and actually looked at it, it became clear it wasn't a screw at all. This is actually a cotter pin, and it's also called a splitter pin. And this is important because lower end, more affordable watches often use cotter pins, especially on smaller ladies' bracelets. So if you bear that in mind from the start, you're far less likely to misidentify what you're actually dealing with. Now I've already removed this link. You can see this is the cotter pin, and you split on one end and it's smooth on the other. So the smooth side is the side that you want to push from to actually get the link out, and then you want to reinsert it back this way. And I have actually pulled this pin apart slightly just so you can see exactly what it looks like. So it's important to remember the side that you push from is the small rounded end that may be slightly indented rather than the split end. You could use like a small nail with a little hammer. You could use a little tiny screwdriver bit and just push it with your hand, or you could get one of these proper tools, I'll link in the description, and then you just push it from one side, pull the pin out with your hands, and then it goes back in the same way, and then you just need to push from one side just to make sure it's seated properly. And I thought I'd show you that just because no one else really explains it properly.